Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make sesame seed gunpowder for idli and dosa at your home. So for the sesame seed gunpowder, what you need? Here I took a kadai and here I added 1 teaspoon of oil, and in this I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of urud dal. So here I have the urud dal and here I have the tablespoon. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of urud dal. So here I added the urud dal and I'm going to fry this urud dal until it becomes light brown in color. And here I took 1 cup of sesame seed. Here I took the white one. If you have a black one, you can use the black one also. And here I have some red chilies. So yeah. So first I'm frying this one. So it started becoming light brown in color and it's time to add this sesame seed into this. And we have to dry roast this sesame seed and this urud dal together. So can you see the sesame seed is also becoming light brown in color. So we have to fry this one. You will get the nice aroma, guys. Till the time we have to fry. So I put that one in the plate and it's time to add this red chili. So we have to fry this red chili. In the lower flame. So can you see? I fried this red chili for 1 to 2 minutes. So yeah. So we have to keep this one in the plate to become cool down. After that we have to grind this one as a very smooth powder. And today in my house I'm making adai. So this sesame seed gunpowder will be very tasty, guys. So yeah. So it has to be cooled down. So first we have to grind the red chili and the hing powder. So I added the hing powder also along with the red chili and we have to grind this as a very smooth powder. Then we have to add the sesame seed and the urud dal. The gunpowder is ready and in this I am adding some salt as per our taste. How much salt we want in this gunpowder. If you want to add the good, you can add the janggery also, that is the good. And we have to mix and you can store this sesame seed gunpowder for 3 to 4 weeks. So just now I tasted this sesame seed gunpowder. Very tasty, very spicy. So yeah. So this is a quick video how to make a spicy sesame seed gunpowder at your home for idli, dosa, adai, or moong dal dosa, for anything. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.